It's spring, which means the birds are back.
I'm a bird.
Things are flowering.
We're so pretty.
And there are dandelions all over the place.
Get a job!
Not here, but check out my parents' front yard.
What's up? What up, dude?
Boom, lots of dandelions. So today we're gonna harvest some and try to make some dandelion crowns. Let's make some quarantine dandelion flower crowns. That's what I wanna do today.
Ta-da!
So the first thing we're gonna get for our flower crowns aren't the dandelions. We're gonna get some really nice flexible branches that I think are gonna work for the base of the crown. There's a willow tree back there.
Look at me! I'm a willow tree.
Willow trees have like long, droopy branches, and I'm thinking that those will be the perfect thing to kind of like weave together to make the base of the crown that then we can glue dandelions on top of. So we've acquired a nice bundle of branches. Next step, the dandelion harvest.
All right, we have all our stuff. Time to make the crowns. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up our branches. You see they're kind of covered in these yellow flowers. I really don't like them. I think they kind of look like dead caterpillars or something. So we're just gonna shred them all off so we have nice clean branches. After that, we'll take one of the thicker ones, get a nice little head measurement. And by winding it around itself, we can form it into this nice little loop. Next, we'll just weave some more branches around that initial loop to make it nice and thick. And we have our crown base, which already by itself, honestly, looks pretty cool. Next, we're gonna take all of the dandelions we harvested, we're just gonna dump them on the table, and we're gonna pick off the stems. So we're just gonna use the heads, which is the flower part.
So we've successfully beheaded all of the dandelions, and there's quite a lot.
You know what, I hate to interrupt. I know this is your video, but I see numerous members of my family in that pile, and I find that quite frankly very offensive.
So then using a hot glue gun, we're gonna glue the flowers onto the willow branches. After a lot of gluing and a lot of placing, boom, how about that? We're done, and this looks beautiful.
Hey Mom, do you wanna wear my crown?
Oh my gosh, this is fantastic, Charles.
Thank you.
You wove those together?
I wove that willow, Mom.
Holy cat.
You look so good. Oh my gosh, Mom.
I think I did a pretty great job with this. But hey, if you're looking for a nice, easy craft, like a beautiful, maybe even gift to give your mom this Mother's Day, this is a great idea.
Mom, could you style it?
Yeah, okay.
What a cutie.
Honestly, it's just one of those things that everybody can enjoy, you know? It looks nice, it's easy to make, it reminds you of spring, summer coming up. It's a perfect thing to brighten your day. Shout out to my mom because Mother's Day is coming up. So Mom, happy Mother's Day. All right, everybody, that's the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Quick shout out to everybody saying hello in the comment section on YouTube. Shout out to Addison Moore, Alawi, Amira Hamadeche, Casey Cole, Darren Folks, Diamond, Gabriella G, H1M2 Brothers, Haley Duff, Holden Milo and Ivy Erickson, Hunter Vanderpool, Isabel Naglia, Jackson Puglis, Kermit the Frog, Mason Netherton, May Chang, Micah Thien de Leon, Peyton Bose, Walrus PvP, XX Red Thunder Kid, and Yajit and Ane Kandalkar. If you guys want a shout out in the next video, just subscribe, ring the bell, and say hello in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.